When the environment is harsh, the timing is critical, or when failure is not an option, you need a system built for the edge. This is CompactRIO. CompactRIO, or CRIO, is an industrial embedded controller designed to handle the most demanding control and monitoring applications. To understand why it is so powerful, let's take a look at its architecture. CRIO is made up of three parts: the real-time processor, the FPGA, and the flexible I/O modules. The real-time processor uses a Linux real-time and acts as the brain of the system, handling a lot of the complex tasks like data logging and communicating to external systems. You can program it with LabVIEW Real-Time, Python, or C++. The FPGA, or Field Programmable Gate Array, acts as the nervous system, sitting between the processor and the I/O. The FPGA gives you the ability to do very fast hardware-timed decision-making as it interacts with outputs and inputs to and from the real world. Typically, FPGAs are programmed using VHDL or Verilog, but with CRIO, you can program them using LabVIEW FPGA, which can greatly reduce the amount of time and expertise required to deploy code to the FPGA. The C-series modules, like this one, are the senses or I/O of the system. There are over 100 different modular I/O options you can choose from to measure and control a multitude of things. The CompactRIO architecture is also available in several different form factors and has many options for connectivity to meet the needs of your specialized applications. This architecture is powerful, and engineers have used it in applications ranging from managing energy grids to controlling high-precision medical robots to monitoring nuclear power plants. To look at the various options available for your own control and monitoring system, click on the CRIO advisor available at ni.com/CRIO.